So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the bathrooms filter here on the realtor.com application. So the first thing you have to do is open up realtor.com. Once that is done, find an area that you're looking for in regards to homes. Once that is done also, go to the top left and press on the filters button. Now scroll down a little bit until you come across bathrooms right here. So by default, it has any bathroom selected. So this will show options that are one bathroom, two bathroom, three bathroom, etc. But for example, if you're looking for houses that has 4+ bathrooms, you can press on 4+ bathrooms right here. Then go to the bottom right and press on See Homes. And what it'll actually do now is refine your search that you're looking for houses only in this case that have 4 bathrooms or more in regards to the filters. So super simple, super straightforward. But this is how to edit the bathrooms filter here on the realtor.com mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.